If your Toto toilet sounds like it's leaking or is ghost flushing, it usually means the flapper needs to be replaced. It's really easy to do, and I'll show you how step by step. First, shut off the water to the toilet. And now when I flush, the tank won't fill up afterwards. Next, unclip the chain. The flapper here is really worn out, and to remove it, just pop it out of the retaining tabs. And here's a closer look. The rubber seal is really worn out. Chlorine and other cleaners really speed up the breakdown, so it's best to avoid using any chemical cleaners. So this is the replacement part I bought, and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. To install the new flapper, first snap in the little white disc. Then adjust the openings on the side. There's a whole chart you can refer to for your specific Toto toilet, but I'll just set mine with one opening. Now compare the chain lengths. I think the instructions tell you to cut the chain, but I usually just loop the chain with a hook to make it shorter. Finishing up the repair is easy. Just snap the new flapper in place. Finally, clip the chain back onto the flush arm. And now I'm ready to turn the water back on. This is a simple fix anyone can do, and it'll save water by eliminating leaks and ghost flushing. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.